No, you can't tell me that. Cause if you did there Jamaica, you would have never talk to them, man. Cause me see you there Jamaica already. And some man will look way better than the man where you have you now and I fall in love with. You see me, I say, you would have never talk to that man there. A true green card, me I tell you now, say green card, me couldn't do some same thing, my friend. You feel me? I say green card is a nipulation thing. Yeah, green card nipulate your people because when time you want certain man where you never use. All right. You feel me? I some girl where they are Jamaica, you know. You see me? And when they are Jamaica, too, they hype, my friend, they hype like a war, my friend. When me say hype, hype, and hype. Certain man they would have never talk to. Me I tell you, say, all decent man will look good people. I know with green card now, una fear love up some man. When me hear una complain, say some my man them bars long down to their knee and all them thing they went time on a par with some my man them look so whole of them teeth gone out of their mouth. And una fear love up their man they car. Una not married for no papers, you know, una end up fall in love because you remember say green card so forward. You see me I say, I saw green card do. So people, when me hear in the comment section, a whole part of must go through them things and go through these things. You see me, I say whole part female and man too. You feel me? I say we not talk just a female them alone. Green card is nipulation. Green card just nipulate your mind. Make you do things where you're supposed to do, people. Well, we don't say that support because everybody is unique in their own way. But people, make it be real. I just reality. And I just facts. You see me, I say people judge you by how you look and how you carry yourself. What is this? Oh, I had a chain. So hold on the people. So we have you mean to tell me say me have a talk a phone we around here so no go down even here when me I say. You see me I say when we fix up back this talk a phone because we are going to have this conversation there all the power and get mad, you know. You see me, but I just facts, so don't know me is the fact speaking guy. You get to me I say. So people, me hear a girl a complain. You see me I say green card make she do some things where she would have never expect say she would have do. You see me I say I want to really check you out a reality. You get to me I say it's reality. You feel me? Cause she has a green card go make she there with green card make woman there with some type of man where they never would have put themselves or inline themselves with in a Jamaica. You see me I say? I know you have a man them over there now people. You see me I say the man them over there. Them end up now with some we not say people fi take care of themselves still, but you know you have people where huge, the huge family them. You see me I say where they and a sudden born, you know, how they just make them body Lego and then just get big. You know American people tan. You know American females, not American females. You feel me I say you want them born over there. Me I talk about some American them, you know, white and a black American them. Some of them, you see me, they make themselves Lego. You get to me I say, and when they check out here now to bombard, you see me, man them have up them the type of girl they know, and they knowing that them themselves say they in a reality them would have never. You see me, some of them when time you check you out now, they now walk with them type of girl they outside. They now go to the movie, go sit down with them. Them a hide and all them thing there. You feel me? Because them a say, oh, me don't want nobody see me with this a girl about you actually I'm a green card, me a married to Shifa. I green card, me want to know hear them thing there every time. When time you look, you see a man with down that girl. When time, all right, you will see a Jamaican with a big fatty or a big fat white girl in a mall or something. Make could be real, man, because we not sugarcoat over here. You see me, I walk in a mall. And them I walk with the brothers in a mall, and the first thing when they see me I walk with the girl in a mall, the first thing I say, oh, you know I say, a green card, a green card, him I get, a green card make him a do it. You get to me, I say, some of them up in our house, them a clean toilet bowl, them a clean this, them a clean that. All right, me could go down to it, we leave out a girl, them we building at them own way. And them, you see me, because we are touch upon the man them now first, little bit. Some of the man them now, then go, all right, then get a nice girl that now, a girl fly, them go America, and they go on a visa, and they meet this girl that now, and then look, then see girl have a nice house and nice things and now, and yo, the girl say, all right, watch you know, me I go marry, they get a green card. You know what they start do now? They start do all type of thing, take all type of disrespect. You feel me? I say, girl, all of this, them talk all type of thing, put them down, have them a clean all the house and clean all this in car. Well, nah, that are just natural. Jamaican, we just clean anyway, so that I don't know. But a girl that disrespect them. You feel me? I say just because I green card and then can't left. Because what? I green card. Now you have some of them girl I know. You see me, I say, them gone with some man, you know. When you look, you see man on there, so look whole and shrivel up and all these things and his teeth hang down out time out and you know say, yo, this a wickedness increase. You feel me? I say, and you pull up all, mama, you know, with your blood clot. You look good in your young self now and you pull up around mama foot and you pull up her foot and you say, my friend, come over here, man, you know, say we have a thing with a fire pop right now, man, for we think not daddy, you know, my friend brawling. And mama look and say, hey boy, go away from me, how we attack? You know, see me have my man, and when you look on him man to bombard as they go so, the man can blow down, but guess what? I green card where she a go get. You see me I say, but still not the wrong for do what you have to do still, you know. But we just a touch on the topic and make we keep it real. You see me I say, a lot of people do things for green card or green card just nipping to mind. Let me hear one in the comment section. Cause a lot of people in America do things for green card where they done never enter do, my friend. You see me I say? Where them would have never enter do. Me know a woman when I have no bombard money for pay if you married. And there with the old man and there the old man there him a fear goggle balls and one bag of bombard, same thing. Loving. And guess what now? Some of them end up falling in love. For real. Cause now they get used to the wrinkle bars and all these things. So they end up over there. So you feel me? I say, and sometimes when they make it out a good choice, cause it better more than one time you go married some of the young boy them or some of the young girl them. You see me? I say, well, when I'm married to all right, say as a dog now and you're married to a older lady. If for some reason a man them get more treatment from the woman them, decent treatment more than way girls them would get. Cause yo, may I tell you some things where a man then do for make or get for woman married for them for papers. You see me, I say some things a woman have to do for married to some man for papers, I should say. You see me, it's crazy. You can't believe what them have to do. While we know as a man now, most of that's why, all right, we can't compare a man them and a woman in some way, you know, because I guess I know, 90% of the time, a man them love the woman them for real, then take them for their woman. You see me, I say, no care if she big and have her weight, you feel me, I say, and them no look upon that does the inside of them, who them is. You feel me? I say, man, them like the woman, them they treat the man them good. You feel me? I say, so them like they get to fall in love with that. So most of man them you see with some type of woman where you know some big woman and all these things. So woman we overweight then. You see me? I say them and a really green card them are married them it start off as green card, but then they get to realize say the woman is such a nice person, my friend. They find out say woman is such a nice person, my friend, so that become that right now change up everything. You get what me I say? So them fall in love. But you woman them now, you see them now, them good, yo, me I tell you, them no really did want no love. Them no want no love with that. Them say that creepy. Them when them have to lay down with the man at night time and all them things, they say their stomach crawl and all them skin crawl and all these things. You feel me? I say me know one girl we married to a whole man and to this a girl that talk about this a man yeah. She a say man have to take how much Viagra, have to take how much this and the man still nah work how she want to work. And she say worst part where she have to eat. And when she have to stay so I deal with the boy couple, she have to pump out the boy for all. How was my friend and the boy in her shake? But guess what? She not left. And guess what now? You know with as a young nigga now, you feel me I say, you know you're dead in her house now, she come around you. You there pay bills every time and I deal with all these things. You pay bills and good and treat her good and all in something there. But one time now you can't pay bills a little bit now. You see she start complaining and get up and gone. Run we gone. You see me I say gone to the next man. But in a green card world, she can't run. In a green card world, she have to sit her blow out ass like this and deal with the man shrivel up balls. You see me I say yo. You see me? Somehow they blow out young girl. You see me? Well, of course, size up when Chewy man thing turn down look a bit now. You feel me? I say you can't get where you used to get from the man. You take up yourself and run gone out of a relationship. Gone to our next man and all them thing there. You see them girl now when you run gone and blow out America now. And you stay so now you get caught up in the rap trap, my friend, and they with a blow out all man where as they kick. If you blow upon him, he drop off a ground. You see me? I say, and you have to deal with that. They have to deal with the nightmare there for 40 days. Which 40 days? How much? 190 days. You get me? I say, a whole heap of years still. You get me? I say, people, a whole heap of years. No, but you have to deal with that. You have to deal with that. That's in there for y'all 12 months, 24 months till you get a green card. And by the time you get a green card now, you fall in love with that the person there. You can't go nowhere again. Eh? So me I tell you, say green card is a manipulation thing, people. It manipulate your mind. It make you do things where you never I wonder if people not see that. I wonder if people wanna hear people talk about them things. I wonder if you never sit down and look upon that and see. I bet say some man go looking on themselves and say true. Some man wanna do some things there with some man standing at some sitting man. All the man are going in paper, boof buff him man and knock you in your blow head in your head side. You come in the man they run there so with 100 gal. You see me, I say, I have to just sit back in that bombard and easy back and say, yo, you wait till you get the papers. Yeah, man, I must see few of them will decide, say, yo, they're not turning at that. But me don't know nobody will not really turning at. Let me hear in the comment section. Let I hear in the comment section if you hear anybody say them, nah, turning at that to get them green card. Yeah, when my mother say, when you're in a lion more, take time, pull you out. You can't just come out, so. You have to sit down in that, my friend. A green card you want. You see me, this another man in Jamaica or a man where you there have a pay your bills and you this him and all them things there, you just get up and gone. You have to sit in a house with the old man. You see me, I say, yeah, you have to sit there and clip out in toenail them and some style. Yo, and when you take off his socks, Jesus peace, you want vomit. Jesus Christ, me I tell you, say green card. The man them not somebody in a situation, because 90% time man them we love with fatty. Jamaican man love big girls. So I don't know if we married to a big girl or if we take up an older lady that way. Worse if it's an older lady, nothing wrong with that. You see me, because 99% time man them nowadays are older girl in love, because them a young girl nowadays, them a creature old. They know nothing about them. You see me, that's why they end up with the old man them. You see me, that's why they end up with the old man them. I'll try to get them papers and them have to deal with the man sweaty balls over there. You see me? Yeah, some of them. You see me? Yeah, some of them. True. So you can't come tell me say, yo, green card no nipulate, you know. And green card I know make you do certain things where you never usually have to do. Big up you one them we get filing straight and go through. Or just married for love and just married in a way where you get lucky and married. And big up you one them marry the fat girls them and some style and get your papers and sort out and your mama still good. But no for get to the papers and run left for fatty them. True, me know that. You see me I say, even on the day with the fatty them and still blow wow, I do some thing and I quiet. You see me? But a man have to do what him have to do, you know, nothing wrong with that, you know, people. I mean, I say nothing wrong with that. We just sit down about me weed in my car and it just pop up in my head and me just I say, you know what I say? That's true. Green card really manipulate people. Green card make Jamaican do some things. Cause me I tell you, when time I see all the dog in my mouth, all the Jamaica. When I see all mama with that, they blow old man. Matter of fact, me tell you with the woman them, most of them not go to the old man them. And that me I tell you, say, you see Jamaican man them really believe in our love. Them really, when time they married to some of them fat girls, they married them for love, for real. The Jamaican man them, they marry them for love. Because you see me, we go out and hang out and show a crowd and show a public, say, yo, watch our wife this. Nothing wrong with that. And I go and like say, something wrong with that. You see me, sitting and go and read that. And the reason why me had nothing wrong with you know, people. But me I talk about some of my girls them and some of my man them don't know when they heart say. When they are Jamaica, them girl they could talk to them. You see me? So me I say you have to be real. If I saw between the case, me I say, yo, me not married, me not you mad, me care if I want a great car, me not married that, my friend. You see me? But guess what? You have to do what you have to do still in a life. You see me? But don't go and like say, yo, and you're there at Jamaica. Yeah, this your own at Jamaica. Yeah, look on a girl, the girl big and fat and so style, you go like you see it? Nothing wrong with that, you know, people. You see me? I say, cause everybody need loving. You see me? But me just come and make me attack, say, yo, green card, I want hell of a thing. You see me? It make you do some things where, boy, you would have never do in your life. Girl are spit in a man's face. You see me? I say, girl are fling out man out the door. Yeah, yo, some of my man them get some disrespected. But let me tell you, the man them get disrespect from the woman them. You see, decent woman. You see, woman them where they claim say a nice girl or a nice woman them where look good and not fat and all them thing there. You see them type of woman them, my friend. And then woman them mostly this all the Jamaican man them. This all them when they treat them like shit. You get me? I say, but you see one them big woman them, that's why Jamaican man them, we really fall in love with the big woman them. Because guess what now? The big woman them treat them with respect and give them love same way. You see me? So Jamaican them see them love that. But you see true, you know you look good. And yeah, give boy a green card, you feel like say boy if you brush all your toe, the boy if you do this, if you do that, if you blow out, do every blow out thing for you. He can't have a friend come over. He can't do all of them sitting there. Yeah. So then the type of girl they deal with the man them in a them type of way, them friend. But you see, he had arrest them. Like a big woman them. Yeah, them treat him and them different. Yeah, but them a look people, them a look flimsy one of them go on like say, them a give a work. So them a tell you, oh, me not give you a green card, this, that. This, that. Me not put you a green card, this, that. Be a them nagging, there you go through, my friend. And you have to sit down in a relationship. Me know a man will sit down in a relationship for 2 years straight. Be a nagging. As in, go outside. You just getting green card while you still and start travel. Man, the woman left you now. Well, I just circle people. So, guys, let me hear in the comment section. You see me, I say, do you think Jamaican do anything for a green card? Or do you think green card is manipulating? You see me, I say, the mind of Jamaicans and probably other country too. Because not Jamaica alone. Other country do it too. You see me? Other country do so same thing. You see me, I say, no, you don't want to know what them I do. That's true, Jamaica not brawling too, but then again, the woman them get brawling too, so you never know. So guys, big up on yourself, remember for the right, like, share, subscribe, I hit the bell. This video is just, I don't know how you want to put it, but it's a fun video. Big up on yourself. About.